Welcome to Bruzzen, where we turn blank walls into bold statements. If you've ever stared at your space and thought, something's missing, it might just be the right wall art. Today, we're helping you explore the main categories of wall art, so you can choose the perfect piece that feels like you. Let's start with one of the most loved, canvas art. It's classic, lightweight, and works in almost any room. Canvas prints are great for creating softness and depth without reflections. From vibrant abstracts to calming landscapes, they fit just as well above a bed as they do in your lounge or hallway. Want something edgier? Try metal wall art, sleek, bold, dimensional. Metal pieces bring a modern, sometimes industrial look, perfect for office spaces, minimalist homes, or masculine bedrooms. And yes, they shine, both literally and stylistically. Need something more emotional? Let's talk abstract art. This isn't about clear pictures. It's about feeling, swirls, shapes, bold brush strokes. Abstract art invites interpretation, making it perfect for creative corners, lounge walls, or statement spaces. Prefer something calm and grounded? Nature and botanical art is your friend. Leafy greens, floral tones, soft landscapes. These pieces create a sense of peace. Ideal for bedrooms, spa-like bathrooms, or cozy reading nooks. Decorating for little ones? Kids' wall art is playful, bright, and full of personality. From alphabet prints to dreamy skies, it makes any nursery or playroom feel magical and alive. Looking for a daily boost? Motivational art is your power-up. Words that lift you, ground you, push you forward. These are perfect in workspaces, home gyms, or wherever you need that gentle reminder. You were made for more. And finally, personalized wall art. Custom names, important dates, star maps. This is the art that turns your house into a story. It's thoughtful, unique, and deeply yours. So, what do you want your walls to say? Because here at Bruzzen, we believe your space should reflect your mindset, your journey, and your voice. Find your perfect piece at Bruzzen.com. And if you love learning how to style your space, hit subscribe, like this video, and follow us for more wall art inspiration that actually inspires. Let's turn your walls into something unforgettable. Together.